This video is in continuation to the previous video in which we talked about areas of sector and segment. So in this we would cover most important questions. Look at the first one. In a circle of radius 21 cm, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, and area of the segment formed by the corresponding arc. So three different subparts it has. Circle's radius is given, central angle is given. Length of arc, area of sector and segment, all three needs to be calculated. So in this question, theta is given 60 degree and radius is 21 centimeters. Length of an arc, first part demands length of an arc. Length of an arc means this arc, the points over here are taken as AB. So this arc AB, or if I take any point over here, let a point be C, then this arc ACB, what is the length of this arc? Formula for this is theta by 360 into twice of pi r. Theta, which is the angle which is formed here, we know we will put the value 60 over here upon 360 because complete circle makes 360 degree angle, and twice of pi r is circumference of this circle. Now I hope you can easily relate this. Length of an arc, arc is a part of the circumference of circle. So for length of arc it is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, and when we take area of sector it would be theta by 360 into pi r square, because in that case we talk about the area of the sector which is contained in particular circle. So let's put the values. This is 60 divided by 360 twice of pi. Pi needs to be replaced by 22 by 7, it's given in the question, and radius is 21. So when you simplify this fully, this is cancelled, this becomes 6, this is 1, 3, solve this, and length of arc comes out to be 22 centimeters. Okay, first is done. Second part demands area of sector. Okay, area of sector. If you remember, I have already shared with you, whenever question simply says area of sector, it always means that sector which is minor sector. So here sector which is formed by this, by these points A and B. So we are talking about sector OACB, which is actually minor sector. Okay, so let's find its area. Area of sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Substituting the values, it is 360, 60 by 360 into pi, which is 22 by 7, r is squared, 21 by 21. Solving this, this is 6, this is 3, this is 2 and 11. So product of 21 and 11 is 231 centimeters square. So first part, length of arc is 22, area of sector is 231 centimeters square. Third part is area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. Chord AB has formed two segments, minor and major. So the question demands area of this region, minor segment. So area of minor segment would be area of sector, complete sector, minus area of triangle. Sector's area we have already found, 231 centimeters square. Triangle's area. Now there are two ways for finding triangle's area. Since this is easy, because I would say this is 21, this is also 21, since these two are radii of the circle. So these angles must be equal. If we mark these angles as x and x, then applying angle sum property, it would become 2x plus 60 equals to 180, and 2x would be 120, and x comes out to be 60. This implies this is an equilateral triangle. And how do we find area of equilateral triangle? That is root 3 by 4 a square, side square. Substitute the values. This is 231 minus root 3 by 4, 21 into 21, because side over here is 21. All angles equal would make all sides equal. Solving this, resultant would be 231 minus product of these two, 441 square root of 3 upon 4. You can either leave it here, this is the area, and if in case you are asked to find particular value, if the question says root 3 is 1.732, that indicates that you have to put the value of root 3 and you have to further simplify this. Otherwise, leaving it here would award you full marks.
Another important question, a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in figure. Find the total length of the silver wire required and the area of each sector of the brooch.
So in this question, this brooch is made with silver wire. Diameter of, there are 5 diameters which are made up with the same silver wire, and the diameter has the measurement 35 millimeter. So let's first find the radius. Radius would be half of diameter, which makes it 35 by 2 millimeters. Okay, we can keep it in fraction. The question demands the total length of wire. Since the brooch has been made up with the silver wire, that means the circumference, this complete circumference, the length of wire would have 2 pi r, the boundary, and there are 5 diameters, 5 into d, 5d. So just put the values. 2 pi is 22 by 7, r is 35 by 2, all this would be in millimeters, and 5 times diameter 35. Cancelling this, this is 110, and product of 35 and 5 would be 175. Adding both, this is 285, yeah, 285 millimeters. That's how your first part is done. It was easy, but it's one of the important questions, so just understand it very carefully. Second part demands area of each sector. Area of each sector. Now we know, since diameters are made, there are around, how many sectors we see? There were 5 diameters, so in all there are 10 such equal sectors. 10 sectors, total 360 degree, we are calculating theta. Theta would be total 360 degree is divided into 10 equal parts. So theta must be 36 degrees. So area of each sector would be theta, which is 36 degree, by 360 into pi, I am putting the value straight away, into pi, which is 22 by 7, r square. What is r? 35 by 2 whole square. Now just simplify this. Solving this, it's 1 by 10, 22 by 7, 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Solve it further. this is 5, this is 2, this is 11. Okay, 35 into 11 would be 385 and denominator is 4. You can further solve it or you just leave it here. 385 by 4 millimeter square. That's how approximately the answer can be further calculated in decimal form.
Next question is, a round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square, and wherever we get root 3 in the question in simplification, that needs to be substituted, replaced by 1.7. Let's see how do we go about this.
In question 13, it's a round table cover. It has got 6 equal designs. As you can see, there are 6 designs which are equal. And now see, these designs are made in the same circular table, and these chords have made, these line segments which are actually serving as chords have made these designs. This indicates if the designs are equal, it means length of the chords must be equal and the angle subtended by these chords at the center must be equal. So what can be the measure of angle if we consider out of 6 I have taken just one part, marking the ends as A and B. So taking AB as a chord, joining it to center, AOB is a triangle obtained in which OB and OA are of measure 28 centimeters. Since radius is 28, we are finding the angle. Angle would be theta 360 degree divided by 6 equal portions. So theta is 60. If theta is 60, what can you say about this triangle AOB? Triangle area of one design will be area of sector minus area of triangle. You know sector's area, we would straight away apply the formula. We have all the values. Theta is found, R we have. Okay. But for triangle AOB's area, you know there are two methods. Since this is equilateral, how can I say it is equilateral? This angle is 60. If these sides are equal, the angle over here would also be 60. Equal angles can be taken as x and x. So x becomes 2x becomes 120 and x becomes 60. Similar thing was discussed in the previous question. If x is 60, each angle 60 makes it equilateral, and the equilateral triangle's area can be found by the formula root 3 by 4 a square. A square, side square. Okay, one way is this. Okay, this would be easily done. We would calculate for one design, whatever simplification we get for one, then we'll multiply it by 6 because there are 6 designs, and then accordingly we would work on the cost. I want to share one more way for finding area of triangle. If in case triangle is not equilateral, because the two cases which we have discussed, that was a coincidence, I would say. We got both the cases for equilateral triangles. The method for finding area of triangle which is inscribed in circle like this would be half r square sine theta. Now here also if you compare half r square makes it 28 square, sine theta makes it sine 60, and you would be surprised to see when you simplify this, see this is what we are getting, root 3, 2 by 2 into 2, which is in denominator, would become 4. Side square, 28 square. Okay, so this is another method of finding area. And how do we derive this? I'll share another video for this. It's a lengthy process. Right now, let's first focus on this question. I am now going to put the values. Theta is 60 by 360 pi. Question says pi should be, no, question, there's no mention for it. Since r is multiple of 7, so pi can be taken as 22 by 7, 28, 28. We'll simplify this. Minus root 3 by 4 and 28 into 28. Let us solve this. Cancel this. This is 1 by 6. This would be 3. This would be 11. So now solving this is, cancel this even. So this becomes 44 into 28 by 3 and cancel this, 28 into 7 into root 3. The question says that root 3 should be replaced by 1.7. So replace this by 1.7 and look for product of 28 and 7. Resultant from here will be, solving this you would get 410.666, or make it 67, round it off, minus, solving this, the resultant would be 333.2. Subtracting both, it is 77.47. Now see, whatever is done is just for one design. This is area of one design. It's in centimeter square. We need for 6 designs. Okay, for 6 we'll just multiply it by 6. All right, and cost per meter square is 0.35. so cost for making these designs, cost for, the question exactly says, yeah, cost of making the designs, cost for making these designs, since these are 6 designs, we have already done the calculations for 1, then we did for 6. Cost is 0.35. Now just multiply 0.35 with the cost, with the area of 6 designs. And hence it becomes, in rupees it would be 162.68 approximately. I believe it is clear to everybody.